In this video, I'll show you how to play Hollow Knight on a school Chromebook. The process is simple, so follow along. I'll go over the different methods you can use to play the original Hollow Knight or Silksong on a Chromebook. The first method is the most straightforward, running the game natively. If your school hasn't blocked Steam, you can install Steam on your Chromebook and try launching the game. Hollow Knight is compatible with Windows, SteamOS, and macOS, so it should work. The frame rate might not be perfect, but it's still the easiest option if Steam is available. If Steam is blocked or the performance isn't good enough, the next and usually better method is using GeForce Now. This is a cloud gaming service that lets you stream games you already own. So if you have Hollow Knight on Steam, or even if you don't, you can subscribe to GeForce Now and play through your browser or the app. This usually gives you a smoother experience, but it depends heavily on your internet connection. If your connection is slow or unstable, the gameplay won't feel good because the game is streamed from a remote server. To use it, just go to geforcenow.com, create an account, and sign in with your Steam account if you own the game. If not, you can check the subscription options and start playing through the service. Besides these two methods, there aren't many reliable ways to play Hollow Knight on a school Chromebook. It really comes down to running it directly or streaming it through cloud gaming.